Hey there! Did you know you can now protect your Brand24 account with two-factor authentication? 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your login. Even if someone knows your password, they won't be able to access your account without your phone. Each user can enable 2FA individually for their own login, so turning it on for yourself won't affect other teammates. To get started, log in and go to Settings and go to two-factor authentication. You'll receive a backup code. This is important. Save it somewhere safe and offline. If you ever lose your phone or your authenticator app stops working, you can use that backup code to sign in. Open your authenticator app like Google Authenticator, Authy, or 1Password, or any other app that supports one-time codes, and scan the QR code displayed on your screen. Your app will immediately generate a 6-digit code. Enter it back into Brand24 to confirm everything's working. From now on, when you log in to Brand24, you'll enter your email and password, followed by the 6-digit code from your authenticator app. It's quick, simple, and makes your account much more secure. You can disable 2FA anytime in settings. To do so, just confirm your password and your current 2FA code. Turning it off only affects your own account, not other users. That's it! You're all set to make your account more secure. Need help setting up 2FA? Just message us in the live chat. We'll walk you through it.